Good morning, children. I am Bulbul Sen Gupta, your maths teacher. I am going to start today's session with this beautiful thought. Childhood is an enchanting vista and endless fun, a joyful classroom, an experience, an era of imagination. I repeat, childhood is an enchanting vista and endless fun, a joyful classroom, an experience, an era of imagination. So, with this beautiful thought, I am going to continue the revision session, children. So, revision session of worksheet number 1. So in this worksheet number 1, children, there is a place value. There is an introduction of 1 lakh is there. Introduction of 1 lakh. What is the greatest 5-digit number, children? 99,999. So this 99,000, what is the greatest 5 digit? 99,999. When it is added with 1, then it becomes 1 lakh. So it is the 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number and 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. So here there are 6 in the 6-digit number. There are places are 6 places are there. So let us revise it with the help of 6 places. So ones, tens, hundred, and then thousands, 10,000s, then lakh, then 10 lakh. So these are the 6 places. This is place value. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to lakh is the 6th place value. 6-digit number, and 10 lakh is the 7 for 10 lakh place value is for 7-digit numbers. So here the periods are there. If you want to show the 6-digit number in an abacus, for example, let us show the smallest 6-digit number in the abacus. So for the abacus, the 6 places are there. It is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So for 1,000 there will be only 1 in the lakh position. Rest of is this is 1 lakh. This is the abacus which shows 1 lakh. So similarly we can show the numbers on the abacus. Now second thing is that how to read the number, how we will read it. So for example, 382910. So firstly, in order to read it, firstly we have to insert the commas according to the place value chart. So here all of you see, children, that this is the place value: ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So and the periods for this corresponding place value: for ones, tens, 100, the period is ones; for 1,000, 10,000, period is 1,000; and for 10 lakh, 10 lakh, period is lakhs. So firstly we know that the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Now come to 7-digit number. Okay, 6-digit number is 1 lakh, smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh, and the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. So firstly we have to insert the commas. Now I have told you that how to insert the commas between the number. For example, it is 3417102. So firstly we insert the comma according to the periods. We start from ones, tens, 100 makes 1 period. So that is one's period. We will insert a comma just before after the towards the right side after completing the 100 place value, that is one's period. Now come to the second period. It contains 2 place values, 1,000 and 10,000. After second period we will insert the commas. So after inserting comma, it is very easy to read the number. So this when you will see the comma, then you will be able to write the name of this number, like 34 lakh 17,102. So in this way you can write the number name of the number by inserting commas in between the numeral. So now come to the corresponding place value and the periods of the 8-digit number. So in case of 8-digit number, children, firstly make the place value of the 8-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So and the smallest 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit number is 1 crore. So this is the place value, and their corresponding periods are: for ones, tens, hundred, period is ones; for thousand, 10,000, period is thousands; for lakh, 10 lakh, period is lakh; and for crore, 10 crore, period is crores. So here for the number name also you can do it with the help of this periodic chart, place value chart. So come to the next topic. In worksheet 1 and 2 it is discussed. In worksheet 1, children, what is there, but you have to do worksheet 1 as a classwork. Okay, it is the abacus, the numbers represented in the following abacus is the question, worksheet 1. And worksheet 2, children, it is you have to write the number names of the given numeral, and also name the six places of the six digit number, and you write down the greatest number of the 5 digit and the smallest number of the 6 digit, and also you have to find out the differences between the two. So it is your classwork, and your homework is worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2 is your classwork, and worksheet number 3 is you have to show the numerals in a place value chart. All of you say here. So in worksheet 3, you have to show the numerals in the place value chart. For example, the numeral is 623981. So firstly you make the place value chart. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So make the 6 column. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now insert the digit according to the place value: 1 8 9 3 2 6. So in this way you can draw the place value chart of all the numerals. So worksheet number 3 is your also homework. Okay children, and now come to worksheet number 4. It is also same. The look at the in worksheet 4 question number 1. Look at the place value chart given below and write the place value of the encircled digit. So some digits are encircled, you have to write down the place value of that digit. So it is also related with the place value, children. So you have to do worksheet number 4 also. So classwork you have to do worksheet number 1 and 2, and homework you have to do worksheet number 3 and 4. So in next session I will discuss about the worksheet number 5 and worksheet number 6 and worksheet number 7. I will discuss tomorrow. So bye bye children, have a nice day. Now one more point children, you have to remember, you have to revise it. So 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens equals 100. 10 hundreds equals 1000. 10 thousands equals 110,000. 10 10,000s equals 1 lakh. 10 lakhs equals 110 lakh. 10 lakh equals 1 crore. 10 crores equals 110 crore. Now this decimal system of numeration is also called, children, Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Now children, there is another point, is that expanded form. Expanded form I have taught you. Expanded form. Expanded form means sum of the place value of all the digit of the number. The expanded form of a number is sum of the place value of the digits of the number. For example, 975218. So we can write this number in a three types of expanded form. So let's start with the place value of 9 is 9 lakh. So I will write here 9 lakh, 7 10,000, 5 thousands, 5 into 1000 plus 9 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 8 into 1. This is the one form of expanded notation. One is 100. Next form, second form, 9 lakhs plus 7 10,000s plus 5 thousands plus 200s plus 110 plus 81. This is the one another form of expanded form. And the third form is 9 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 10, 200 plus 10 plus 8. So in these three forms we can write the expanded form notation of a numeral. So the expanded form of a numeral is used when we have to write all the digits in an expanded form. Elaborately we have to show the digits of a number. So in this way, children, you have to also do how to convert the standard notation of the numeral into the expanded form notation, and then expanded form notation to the standard form of the notation. So all the worksheets of unit number 1 you have to do as a classwork and homework. And the brain teaser I will give you in the next session, and I will discuss about it, because brain teaser is little bit tricky and it is a little bit twisted. So I will explain each and every questions. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day.